The Jaltech S&P 500 Autocall gives investors exposure to the S&P 500 and is well suited for conservative investors looking for exposure to the US equities market with capital protection. Providing exposure to the S&P 500, this 5-year autocall pays an enhanced return and also provides investors with capital protection. Here is an explanation as to how the investment works. If at the anniversary date of the investment, the index is flat or greater than its starting level, the investor will be auto-called. If the auto-call is triggered 12 months into the investment term, the investor will receive a 7% return, their initial capital back, and they will be exited from the investment. After the first 12 months, the performance of the index is measured annually. However, if the index is in negative territory compared to its starting level, the investment will continue. Let's assume that after 3 years, the index is flat or greater than its starting level for the first time. In this case, the investor will be auto-called, receive a 21% return and their initial capital back, and the investor is exited. The 21% return is a result of the enhanced return element of this investment. The 7% enhanced return accumulates each year the investor is not auto-called. Again, the possibility exists that the index is in negative territory compared to its starting level. In this case, the investment continues. Should the index be flat or greater than its starting level at the last year of the investment term, the investor will receive a 35% return and their initial capital back, and the investor will be exited. However, should the index be below its starting level, the investor will not have been auto-called. This is where the capital protection element is applied. If the index is not down by more than 40%, the investor will receive 100% of their initial capital back and be exited from the investment. If the index is down more than 40%, the investor will have the value deducted from their initial capital and receive the balance. The minimum investment is 14,000 US dollars or 250,000 Rand and can be spread across all 3 of Jaltech's structured products. The investment gives exposure to the S&P 500 and pays an enhanced return of 7% per annum in dollars. The investment offers capital protection of 100% provided the index is not down by more than 40%. The issuer credit rating is A+, which is higher than all South African banks. The autocall is triggered annually after the first 12 months, and the autocall is triggered if the index is flat or greater than its starting level.